bounds.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is DJ Andy. Lately we've been looking at some mobile DJing tips for your lighting rigs on your mobile DJ setup and booths. Now today we're going to look at the UV lighting that you can use on certain DJ setups. I would encourage you, if you haven't already, to purchase a UV light or purchase some Parkans which do UV light settings, because these will really enhance your dance floor, especially when people are wearing fluorescent clothing or white clothing, because it does tend to highlight the visibility of their clothing, which is what UV light does. You can also check your money at the end of the night, especially if you live in the United Kingdom, because it tells you if your banknotes are duds, because the ones that don't duds, they either shine or they don't shine, depending on what money or currency or country you are living in will determine whether that light will actually work for you or not. So here we go, we're going to look at the light. So okay, we're going to be looking at this. This is the UV light that I use. I only have one at the moment. I am thinking about buying another one or some alternative lighting for UV setups. So what I basically do with this is I place this at the front of the stand, which then points slightly upwards towards the crowd. It doesn't blind people. All it does is enhance what they're wearing, say white clothes or, like I've said before, fluorescent clothing. It will help highlight their positions on the dance floor as well, and it will also present a little bit more light for the photographs as well. It sounds silly, but when a photograph is being taken, the UV light really does help the camera focus. So this is about 18 inches long, and it's got 9 LED lights in it. Now I tend to prefer the LED versions rather than the bulbs. Bulbs get broken very easily and they can be very expensive to replace. There are different versions of UV lights which you can buy. You can get Mega Par. I think American DJ makes something for UV lighting as well. You can even just buy a UV light, or you can buy lights that can do different sequences and different colours as well as the UV lighting. It's best to get online, have a good check around on various websites, certain like eBay and places like that, and check out what you can get of and what fits your budget for buying lighting. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what I did with this light at a recent gig. So I'm going to cut to some footage right now, and you can see where I positioned it and what actually happened with some of the dancing throughout the night. So check out this video and I'll be back at the end of it. So okay, that was the light I used in that video, and as you can tell, it did actually help with the dance floor, and with it fitted in well with the lighting setup as I set it up that night. I have used it in various other places because I did notice it did highlight people on the dance floor, so it does help having something like this. And it's also great for Halloween gigs if you're doing anything like Halloween as well, because there's a lot of props that you can buy for Halloween, and when people are wearing all that makeup and dressing up in Halloween gear, it really does set off what they're wearing. So I'd encourage you to buy UV light. You can pick them up relatively cheap off eBay, and if you do a search on Google or something like that, you will probably find one at a reasonable price. I think you can pick these up for around about £20. This is in the UK. I really don't know what that'll convert to in other countries, but if you are in other countries, I'm sure the website that you're on will convert it into your currency. So anyway, I hope you liked this video. I hope you subscribe to the channel. I do appreciate everybody who is subscribing. We will be making more videos and doing some more mobile DJing tips, as well as putting the gig logs on. So don't forget to press that subscribe button, and don't forget to press the notification button, which will notify you of when I am uploading videos so you can watch them. So check out the other videos and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.
Bounds.